Today we're at Soup Thai Kitchen located on Union Turnpike, and believe me, you guys need to check this place out. Customer service was amazing. They have a lot of good stuff on the menu, but we're just gonna get right into it. I had this amazing blue drink. I forgot the name and I apologize, but it was so good. I give that an 8 out of 10. It was tangy, it was nice, and it was refreshing. These dumplings though are so amazing. Different colored dumplings too. I definitely give that a 9 out of 10, and I go for that again. That is for damn sure a good dish. And then we had the pork jowl, and that's my first time having it, and it was amazing with the sauce too. I give that honestly a 9.5 out of 10. That was the best dish I ever had so far. But anyway, guys, where should I go next?